In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use virtual backgrounds for Zoom in your meetings. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your presentation or simply want a more personalized setting behind you, virtual backgrounds can be a great tool. Let's dive into the steps involved in setting this up. First, you need to find and download a background that suits your style or the tone of your meeting. Head over to the Zoom Virtual Backgrounds library on Zoom's official website to start exploring. There, you'll find a variety of images and even videos that you can use. If you're looking for an even broader selection, consider browsing free image websites like Unsplash. Once you find an image or video that stands out, download it to your computer or device. Be sure to double-check that the file format and resolution are appropriate for Zoom's requirements. For an image, you should have a JPG, JPEG, or PNG file with a recommended minimum resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. If you're going with a video background, aim for an MP4 or MOV file with resolutions from 480 by 360 pixels up to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Now that you have your background downloaded, it's time to upload it into Zoom and start using it in your meetings. This step will guide you through the process for desktop platforms like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Begin by opening Zoom and signing in to your account. Once you're inside, look for the Settings menu. You'll find it by clicking your profile picture and then selecting Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate over to Video and Effects, sometimes labeled Background and Filters, depending on your version of Zoom. Now, locate the Virtual Backgrounds tab within this menu. Here, you'll see a plus icon, represented by the symbol plus. Click on it, and then select your downloaded image or video file from your computer. Once it's uploaded, you can select it, and voila! Your video feed now displays with that fresh new background. This straightforward process allows you to easily customize your Zoom experience, making it more engaging or professional according to your needs. As a side note, ensure that your background is not overly distracting or inappropriate for the setting of your meeting. Also, to get the best results, use a solid color backdrop or green screen if possible, as it helps Zoom to better differentiate you from the background. And there you have it. You can switch things up for different meetings or events by repeating these steps with various backgrounds. Experiment with it and make sure your video calls are not only productive, but also enjoyable. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy your new Zoom backgrounds.